All right, we also have the ICICI Bank numbers out. So you have a net profit for the third quarter, which has come in at 2,250 crores. This is against the ET now expectation of 2,087 crores. So that's much higher than what we were working with. And this is against a number of 1,728 crores. That's a YOY number. So a much better set of numbers than was expected. The stock has reacted positively, went up 1.2%, but has now started coming off. NII has come in...
3499.
Sorry, how much is that?
3,499. In terms of the net interest income, that's a little bit below what the street was expecting. We were working with a figure of 3,519. Okay, we have details in terms of the asset quality. The Q3 gross NPAs, they stand at 3.31%. This comes in versus 3.54% on a sequential basis. In terms of the net NPAs too, 0.76% versus 0.78%. Poonam stands by with more details on the ICICI Bank numbers.
One very good results by ICICI Bank. In terms of the profit, it is definitely above the consensus as well as the ET poll estimate. Even in terms of the net interest income growth, that's a fairly strong growth, somewhere around 29 to 30%. 29% YOY is a very strong growth, and the margins at 3.07% are stable quarter on quarter. This is on expected lines. Remember that in the last few quarters, in fact in the third quarter of the last year, the margins were around 2.7%. So on a YOY basis, there's an improvement in the margins, and the bank has been seeing an improved margin trend. Margins are likely to improve going forward. Stock is up nearly 42% on a one-year basis, so there is a likelihood of some profit booking. In terms of the asset quality, that was expected to be pretty much stable. The gross NPA as well as the net NPA ratios have improved on a quarter-on-quarter basis, so that's standing fairly good. Even in terms of the advances growth, if we look at it, that's pretty decent. So overall, good set of numbers by the bank.